Good evening, my friends. It's that time again where I do a bathroom communication session through the running water. I'm not sure who, if anyone will be here, but we'll try. I'll come in peace, light and friendship, and I ask my spirit friends, of course if you are spirit, please come forward and speak to me. Speak to me as loud as you can. Okay, without further ado. Hello once again, this is Paul. I welcome you to join me. And maybe I'm joining you. Do you have any new spirit people here tonight, please? If I do, would you please tell me who you are? How many people are here? Could you tell me? Now I got told off for swishing the water the other day, but I must admit at the end of the last session I did, me swishing the water created some louder voices. So, we'll see if this works tonight. Of course, this is always an experiment only. No guarantees. If you don't try, you don't get anywhere. Now, I asked for my grandmothers the other day. I never hear from my grandparents, my grandmother. Maybe you can come forward. It's Corey, Elsie, Ethan Hart Wolf. I have aunties who have passed. Auntie Joan, Auntie Phil. Maybe you could shout your name out for me. Let us all know you're here, or at least can hear me. Now when I film with the Nokia phone, swishing the water always gives me better connection. So I'm hoping tonight we'll get a really good connection on my telephone. I'm aware of somebody standing right behind me. If I didn't know better, I'd say they're standing in me, right where I am. Could you confirm this or deny this? Do you have anything important you would like to talk about tonight? Anything you think that people would like to know? I always ask you questions and I get very few answers. You get voices, but you don't seem to want to tell me what I'm asking. It's frustrating. Edward, come on, where are you? Let's make this happen, can we? We should have Class 1 EVPs now. Okay, before I leave, do you have a final message? Okay, that's it then. That's tonight's session. Thank you for joining me. All I've got to do now is have me bath. See ya!